Hello students. So our today's video topic is decimal fractions for class 4th. See the first question. Write the place value. The question is 26.15. You have to write the place value of all the digits here. So starting from 2, what will be the place value of 2? As you know, the numbers which are before the decimal, that is ones, tens. So the place value of 2 will be 20. The 6 is at the ones place. So the place value of 6 will be 6. Now the digits which are after the decimal, we start the place value from 10th. So the place value of 1 will be 1 upon 10. After 10th, the second place value will be 100th. So the place value of 5 will be 5 upon 100. Question number 2. Write in expanded form. You have to write 18.42 in an expanded form. Just you have to write the place value of all the digits and write a plus sign in between the digits. Let's see how. This is ones place, the 8th digit, and 1 is at the tens place. So it will be 10 plus 8 plus after decimal 4, that is at the 10th place. So 10th place it will be 4 upon 10 plus 2 is at the 100th place. So 100th place is 2 upon 100. So it will be plus 2 upon 100. This is the expanded form of 18.42. Now in third question, write in short form. Just the reverse of the question which we have done in question number 2. In question 2, the short form is given. We have to write the answer in expanded form. In question 3, the question is given in the expanded form. We have to write the answer in short form. So 80 plus 1 will be 81, and from where the 10th place value has started, you will put a decimal there and then write it 6 and 4. So the answer is 81.64. Last question, fourth one. Here you have to compare the fractions. The first two fractions are 0.5 and 0.09. So when you will compare the fraction, start from the first digit after the decimal. In 0.5, the first digit after the decimal is 5. And in 0.09, the first digit after the decimal is 0. So which is greater? 5. That means 0.5 is a greater fraction. The second two fractions are 1 and 0.999. Now here there is no decimal value. This is a whole number. No decimal value is here. And here it is decimal value. So the whole number value is always greater than the decimal value. That is why 1 is greater. The third part, 0.6 is the first decimal fraction and 0.60 is the another decimal fraction. As I have told you, to compare, you will compare the digit after the decimal. After decimal it is 6 in the first decimal fraction, and in the second decimal fraction it is also 6 after decimal. Now we will compare the second value. Now there is no second value in this fraction, so you will place a 0 here. When there is no second value in the decimal fraction, so you will place 0 after this 6. So it will be 0 here. And in the second fraction it is also given 0. So that means these two decimal fractions are equal. The last part of question number 4, 5.32 is the first decimal fraction and 5.41. This is the second decimal fraction. So again you will compare the digits. First it is 5. Here also it is 5. After decimal here it is 3. and after decimal here it is 4. So 4 is greater, that means 5.41 will be a greater fraction. So I hope students you have understood the video.